So good day everyone, I'm Franz Kaiza, Austria from grade 12 Condor, and I am here now to explain to you what is the climate change and also what is the effect of climate change. So what is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term shift in temperature and weather patterns. This shift may be natural, but since the 18th, human activity have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, which produces heat-trapping gases. So now let's go on for some examples of climate change. Temperatures are rising worldwide due to the greenhouse gases trapping more heat in the atmosphere. Droughts are becoming longer and more extreme around the world. Tropical storms becoming more severe due to warmer ocean water temperatures. So what is the effect of climate change? The potential future effects of global climate change include more frequent wildfires, longer periods of drought in some regions, and an increase in the number, duration, and intensity of tropical storms. So now let's watch the video on how the climatologists answer the following questions all about climate change.
Is there any merit to the studies that show that historical CO2 levels lag behind temperature changes, not lead them?
Well, yes, there's merit to that. In fact, in the pre-industrial age, the CO2 response to temperature was that the temperature would go up and CO2 would go up. Or if the temperature went down, CO2 would go down. And the reason for that is when the temperature went up, the whole biosphere revved up and emitted CO2, and we had more CO2 in the atmosphere. So we understand that process. The problem for the science community is in the post-industrial age, the CO2 rise is preceding the temperature rise. So two different things happened. One, pre-industrial, where temperature was driving the CO2. Post-industrial, where the CO2 is driving temperature, which means a completely different physical, biological process is going on. And we don't understand what the consequence of that change is. It is a fundamental change to how the Earth works and how the Earth's radiation balance works. And so, since we don't understand it, we're very concerned because we don't see any restraining force on continued increase in temperature due to continued increase in CO2. And that's a problem.
Since we watched the video all about the climatologists answer the following about the climate change, now the question, what can I do to help and stop the climate change? First, save energy at home. Second, walk, bike, or take public transport. And third, eat more vegetables to become healthy. And fourth, consider your travel. 5. Throw away less food. 6. Reduce, reuse, repair, and recycle. 7. Change your home source of energy. 8. Switch to an electric vehicle. And 9. Choose eco-friendly products. And last but not the least, speak up. So I have some tips for you guys. You just love the nature, help the nature, and also have unity for the best nature of all. And also let the earth breathe. And that's all guys. I hope you like it. Thank you.